Our double-walled day tanks, TTD, are made of stainless steel or steel with internal coating. The tanks are used to supply machines and aggregates with fuel, lubricating oil, or aqueous urea solution. The TTDs are available in 6 standard sizes, from 250 litres to 1,950 litres. The TTD tanks have a robust finish and can also be used in earthquake zones 1 and 3. They also have increased strength for the urea media density of 1.2. Thanks to the double-walled structure, no drip tray is required for the TTD tanks. A vacuum leak detector constantly checks the tightness of the tank. If the tank leaks due to corrosion or external damage, the alarm is displayed visually. The tanks are suitable for installation in buildings as well as in facilities containers. Here is an example of use. The TTD can be set up directly above a stand column without a drip tray. The flow and return are connected to the machine or generator via a suction line. The TTD can be filled via a fixed pipeline using a tank truck. If the maximum fill level is reached, the tank truck pump is automatically switched off by the limit indicator via the signal line. Caution: if the volume is less than 1,000 litres, the tank must be filled directly using the nozzle under the supervision of the tanker driver. The exception is the automatic filling by a system pump. For this, however, the tank must have an automatic refill control with level sensors and an overfill protection. For all applications, we offer additional tank equipment as an option for surcharge. Stand column, level sensor, limit indicator, filling pipe, overfill protection, pump combination, or air vent with hood. Double-walled day tanks from Krampitz, cubically good.